I'm talking about FSMA and the ag water regulations and why growers need to start thinking about their ag water plans and their monitoring that they're going to have to do for their water quality profile. The biggest things that we are trying to convey and get across to growers is that this is something they need to be thinking about now. They need to start moving forward now. We recognize that guidance has not yet been released by the FDA for some of the finer points of water quality sampling, but they can start thinking about these problems now. That means inspecting their systems, figuring out where they have problems, understanding what their sources are, knowing how many profiles they're going to have to come up with. Perhaps growers don't recognize that each source of water that they have needs its own profile. That means if they have canal water and they impound it on their property, those are two different sources now, and they're going to need a profile for their canal water and their pond water. If they have well water and they put it in a reservoir, they're going to need two different profiles for their well water and their pond water. So these are things they need to start thinking about now. Everybody's going to have to start complying, beginning their compliance period in January 2018. They'll have 2 to 4 years after that point to put their profile together. But what I think some growers aren't thinking about is that come January 2018, they're going to have their inspections done. Their water quality distribution systems are going to need to be inspected. They're going to need to know if there are problems with their sources, if they've got any issues in their distribution, and what these sources are. So they're going to need to do that very soon. We're trying to help them move forward. We're giving them tools, we're giving them guidance, but ultimately they're going to have to start dipping their foot in, as it were, and start their program. We are doing water quality workshops at the moment, sampling workshops. We're providing guidance to them through WSU, through Good Fruit Grower. We're available to growers if they want to contact us, but this is something that is happening currently. So you can go to the Western Center for Food Safety website. You can go through the WIFS portal as well, wifss.ucdavis.edu. Those links there to go for tools to calculate your geometric mean, your statistical threshold value, those criteria that you're going to need for your water quality profile. The University of Arizona has a great app that they're using to help growers keep track of their water quality profiles and the sites that they're using to do their sampling. WSU, the tree fruit extension page, has simple steps for water sampling on their website. Good Fruit Grower put out an article, as you know, with simple steps for water sampling as well, and those are all great resources.